What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Min, and in this video my kids and I, we are gonna have some fun today. Today we have an apple tree, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna give the kids 20 minutes to pick out the most apple that they can pick out on this tree, and we're gonna see who is the winner. What do they get for winning? They get electronics for all day today. Wow. So that's what they're gonna get. Yup. No money. Electronics is better than money at this age. You know that. But anyways, are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Tell me what's your strategy, sir. This is the oldest one, Colin.
My strategy is just to go near where all the apples are.
What about you, youngest one?
I get to take all the apples from the tree.
What about you, little middle one?
I'm gonna go to the closest one that I can reach so I can get the most inside.
Are you guys ready? It is time. On your mark.
Yes, I have the biggest.
On your mark. Better get ready. Get close to the apple one. On your mark. Hold on, let me switch the camera real quick. Let me switch the camera. Alright guys, are you guys ready? So check this out. Look, I want you guys to be very careful because on this apple tree, you guys can see there's a lot of apple up here, right? Look at all this apple, but be very careful because it has spikes on it. Let me show you the spikes right there. Wow. These are the spikes right there. You see all the spikes on the tree?
Yeah.
Be very careful with these trees. Do not hurt yourself. Look at the spikes on these trees, okay? So make sure you pick the apple, but do not get yourself hurt. You got it? Let me run through your face. Let me see your mean face. Let me see your mean face. Let me see your ready face. Oh, look at Colin's ready face. Kaylin, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Carter.
Yes.
On your mark. Get set. You okay, Kaylin? Go. Oh yeah, come on, get it. Look. Oh dang, Kaylin's going on top. They got the chairs, they got everything. Look at this. Colin is going at it. Oh, you gotta pick that up. You can't drop it. Anything you drop, gotta pick it up. Anything you drop, gotta pick it up. Carter, oh, go over here. Go over here, Carter. Look, Carter, over here. Carter, you're missing out. Come on. Stand on this chair. This chair, you can get so much. Go get your bag. Where's your bag at? Where's your bag? Go grab your bag. Cause you can't. Go. Oh, Carter's not gonna win. Carter is not gonna win. Oh, let me see Colin. What's your strategy right now? I need to change. They are 1 minute in only, guys. Come on, Carter, put it in the bag. Run, hustle. Carter's doing good. Look at Kaylin. Oh, Kaylin just dropped one right by her shoes. What the heck? Two. Right there. Oh, look at, wow, Kaylin's going at it. Kaylin's picking at it. She got herself a nice branch. Look at Carter over here. Wow. Reaching high up in the sky. Ooh, Carter got himself, how many? 3? 4? Wow, let's get it going, Carter, you're doing a good job. Wow, let me see Carter real quick. Oh my God, Carter's getting it. Carter, yours back just dropped because of the wind. Oh no. Look at Colin. Colin is slowly but surely getting every bag. Let me see inside your bag. How much you got? Oh, you guys better catch up. Oh, Carter, you're doing a great job. Let me see what you got. Good job. No, go, get out, Carter. Get out, don't step on the grass. Kaylin, you're taking Carter's spot. Oh no, Kaylin is the thief. This is a good spot right here. Look at all the apple being ripe. Oh, look at the apple being tasty ripe. Dang. How are you feeling right now, Kaylin? Give me your feedback. How are you doing?
Stop distracting me!
Oh, look at that. Oh no. You guys are 3 minutes down. Let me see what you got. Keep it going, Carter. Keep it going. I don't see what you got, but I need you to keep it going. Colin eliminated this tree already. Look at over here. There was a lot of apple. Oh, he's missing a couple apple here. They're still going. Come on, Colin. Colin's take. Ooh, Colin, you got hurt. Oh no, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. You got hurt. Oh no, it's okay. You're a champ. Be careful, okay? I told you they got spikes on these trees. There's so much more. Look, why are you taking the long one, Kaylin? Kaylin, there's one right in front of you so much, but you. Oh, she's a champ. Carter, how are you doing? Go, go, Carter, go.
I have 7.
You have 7? Let me see. Oh, you have more than 7. Keep it going. What you got? Let me see. Let me see your bag. Oh yeah, Kaylin is counting it up. I think it's between Colin and Kaylin to see who's gonna be ending with the winning. All right, son, go, go, go. Keep picking, keep picking. There's so much more to pick. Let's see, all you guys are picking. Oh dang. Keep it going. Move the chair around. You have to. Don't be lazy. Move around. There's a lot of apples. We can see it on the tree. And it is a good weather for the apple today. Uh-oh. Let me see. You got a good one? Let me see. Let me see. Look at that. Let me see. What you got? Boom. What Colin got? Oh, Colin is smart. He's going chair to chair. He is going chair to chair, picking the baby apples for no reason when he got all the good apples up in front of his face that is all brown and everything. Uh-oh, this is coming along. Carter's over there just wandering around. What's going on? He's scratching, got a bit by mosquito. Oh no, he's smiling over there. Kaylin and Colin at the same spot, fighting for the apples. Oh no, no throwing apple at each other, please. That is unnecessary roughness. We will throw our foul. You guys are dropping too many apples. Come on, Colin. There's so many apples. Look, you got a whole bush of apple. Why are you taking so long taking this? Oh no, you guys are past the 5-minute mark. Here we go, here we go. We are going at it fast. Kaylin is slowing down. She's getting tired. Oh Lord! Don't tell me the shut up! It's unnecessary.
Yours. Mine is bigger.
Let me see. You got a bigger one? Keep it going. Carter is trying. A for effort for Carter. A for effort for Carter. I know Colin's got a whole bunch. Let me see. Low, but still not good enough. Still not good enough. Come on, guys. Almost down to the 10-second mark. Let's go ahead and keep it rolling. Oh no, Colin is slowing down. He looks like he's tired. He got hurt earlier. That's why he is slowing down. If I were him, I would pick at the apple, but that happens that the tree is moving. He's losing balance. Carter's pulling down his pants. Oh no, what is going on? Kaylin is mom. Why are you picking at the tree that has no apples? You're in the wrong area. Here, there's more apple here, guys. Let me help you guys out. Here, let me help you guys out. Look at Colin over here.
Daddy, can you help me out?
I will help Carter out.
Yeah.
Come here. Hold on. Let me help Carter out real quick. Let me grab this. So we're around like 15 minutes in to picking this apple tree, guys, and we did really well so far. So getting itchy out here. But we're gonna continue on picking the most of it, and we're gonna get this apple to our family members. That's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, whew. There you have it. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you. That was like roughly 20 minutes of picking apples on this apple tree. Let me show you guys what the result looks like, okay? Look at that. Look at all of this we picked. Let me see your Kaylin. Look at that. And then Colin. Awesome. So, first of all, do you guys have fun?
Yeah. Who the winner?
Who had fun?
I did. I started a 100-hour timer.
Who's the winner,
Alright.
Daddy? Daddy, we need to count.
Okay, so look. No, so look, let me tell you guys. Hold on. Get in the camera. Carter, over here, stand behind me. The winner is all of you because all you guys gave it your best. All you guys try your best. And I'm so glad we were able to pick these apples from these trees because fall is coming. We don't want to waste these fruit. So we're going to be giving some of this apple to our family members. Other than that, guys, want to say bye?
Bye. Do we need to count?
No, you guys are all winners. Ah!